Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Hashem Kakadash, Barakatham to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim Wa'akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson, the latest of the earthquakes in diverse places as of January the 30th, 2025. And it reads from KSAT.com, local news on January the 29th / January the 30th as well too. And it reads from local news of KSAT.com. 4.5 and a 2.6 magnitude earthquakes rattled two towns in southeast of San Antonio. The USGC says the earthquake happened near Falls City, approximately 44 miles of San Antonio. Right, so it was a 4.5 earthquake and 2.6 earthquake in that region over there in San Antonio, Texas. And I'm gonna go to the latest earthquakes. Yep, from earthquakeusgs.gov for the latest earthquakes. And it reads 4.5 earthquake in Davao, Philippines, 4.3 earthquake in Russia, 4.6 earthquake in Pagan region, Northern Mariana Islands, 4.4 earthquake in Alibari, Greece, 3.3 earthquake in Alaska, 4.6 earthquake in Mahar, Iran, 2.6 earthquake in Taupo, New Zealand, 2.9 earthquake in 51 kilometers southwest of Lake Nashkutmona, if I pronounced that right, of Alaska, 3.2 earthquake 16 kilometers west of Tuna, Alaska, 4.8 earthquake 14 kilometers east of northeast of Eugene, Taiwan, 3.5 earthquake 11 kilometers west of northwest of Tuna, Alaska, 2.7 earthquake northeast of 20 kilometers of Falls City, Texas, 2.6 earthquake in Trapper Creek, Alaska, 4.3 earthquake in the Kermadec Islands. So those were the latest increasing of earthquakes in diverse places as of January the 30th, 2025 on this Thursday afternoon. And this is the book of 2nd Esdras, chapter 9, verse 2. Then thou shalt understand, it is the very same time wherein the highest, which that the Father Yahweh will begin to visit the world which he made. Right, so that's the visitation from the Heavenly Father with the earthquakes in diverse places. 2nd Esdras 9, verse 3. Therefore, when they should be seeing earthquakes, uproars people the world, right, increasing earthquakes, and the uproars people the world right along with it as well too. So this was just a quick sit-down lesson of the latest of earthquakes in diverse places as of January the 30th, 2025 on Thursday afternoon. So hopefully this was edifying. And with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Hashem Kakadash, Barakatham to the elders and apostles Wa'akim Wa'akwaf. Until next time, I will say Shalom.
Yeah, you know what, Laura? As you both know, I